Hello everyone. Welcome to Kids Mom&Teacher.
We are going to learn action words. Let's start. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Stand. Stand. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. Smile. S-M-I-L. Smile. Clap. C-L-A-P. Clap. Laugh. Ha ha ha. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Run. R-U-N. Run. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. Push. P-U-S-H. Push. Pull. P-U-L-L. Pull. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Hang. H-A-N-G. Hang. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Go. G-O. Go. C. S-E-E. See. Dancing. D-A-N-C-E. Dance. Sing. Long dalish kara ove bechara jaan se pyara. S-I-N-G. Sing. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe the channel.